Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace driver's side airbag on Mazda CX-7. Stay with us and we're gonna demonstrate on this one that was in a minor accident and the airbag was deployed. So we'll show you guys how to remove it, how to replace it. You need to reset the module or have a new module installed. Before you proceed on the airbag system, disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before the repairs. Don't forget that because it's very dangerous, and always try to avoid doing stupid things. Don't use too big tools, screwdrivers or something that to pry things, because you can really hurt yourself. So we disconnected the battery. It's been about 1 hour. Now right here, as you can see, let me turn the light on. There is a cap, okay, a rubber cap. Just use a screwdriver or a prying tool. And behind the cap there is a 10mm, okay, 10mm bolt right there that we are going to remove now. Okay, just with a small ratchet we are going to use here. Okay, you can see it's pretty tight, and once you get it loose you can usually turn them by hand. That's one good thing about it. Okay, the bolt will stay there, it will not come out. Now we need to go to the other side. Okay, let me go there, and there is one more cap like that there. Go ahead and remove this one as well guys, and another 10mm bolt there. Okay, so of course when you get it, once you break it loose, you can remove it by hand. Okay, now you can just grab it guys, carefully grab it, okay, and you can pull it out. Okay, you just have to be gentle. And here now everything's melted, and this is because this car was in an accident. As you can see, those ends are melted. But what you need to do if you want to remove them, you pry that thing up. In our case we won't be able to because it's melted there and they will break, but you need to pry the black thing straight up and then just pull them up without twisting. Okay, in our case we'll just probably go ahead and see if we can disconnect them from right here now. Okay, in our case we will have to break those, we'll have to install new wire. Okay, it's replaceable. Sometimes they come with a cork spring, or you can buy just the ends. We have it on our channel guys, you can check it out, how to install new wiring ends, so you don't have to spend like 200-300 bucks sometimes on clock spring for the airbag. Okay, and the airbag is out of here now, as you can see, and we can go ahead and replace it after you're done replacing it. Everything's connected. Stay out of the way when you connect the battery and make sure everything's good. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to... So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.